Welcome, Health Warrior. If you're going through cancer treatment and worried about the smoothies in your 21-day reset, I have good news for you. You don't have to skip them. Today, I'll show you exactly how to adapt your smoothies to make them cancer-friendly while still getting all the benefits of the program. In the next few minutes, you'll learn 3 simple ways to modify your smoothies, understand which fruits are lower in sugar, and learn how to create delicious vegetable-based alternatives that are just as satisfying. These tips and hacks will let you fully participate in the 21-day reset while still paying attention to your specific health needs. But first, let's talk about those pesky carbs. Many cancer patients believe they need to avoid all carbohydrates and sugars completely. But there's a crucial distinction most people miss between natural whole food sugars and processed sugars that can make all the difference in your healing journey. Let me explain why this matters so much. First, let's clear up a common internet myth. Your body actually needs carbohydrates to function properly. The problem isn't all carbs or sugars, it's specifically processed and denatured carbs that cause issues. When you consume whole fruits in moderation, you're getting natural sugars packaged with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support healing. The difference is how these carbohydrates affect your body. Processed sugars cause rapid blood sugar spikes and inflammation, while whole food carbs provide sustained energy and nutrients. Cancer cells do prefer sugar, but they primarily thrive on the processed kind that floods your system quickly. During your 21-day reset, focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Now, this doesn't mean eliminating fruit entirely. It means being strategic about quantities and combinations. Now that you understand not all carbs are created equal, let's look at how to modify your smoothies. Making these adjustments allows you to stay on the program while minimizing concerns about sugar. There are 3 main approaches you can take. Number 1, reduce fruit quantities while keeping the same recipes. Number 2, choose fruits naturally low in sugars. And number 3, create vegetable-dominant smoothies with minimal fruit. For the first approach, simply cut the fruit portions in half or a fourth. Instead of a full banana, use half. Rather than a cup of berries, use a quarter cup. This maintains flavor while reducing sugar content. For the second approach, berries like strawberries and raspberries are naturally lower in sugar than tropical fruits like mangoes or bananas. And green apples have less sugar than red varieties. And for the third approach, which is what I personally recommend, make vegetables a star. Use cucumber, celery, spinach, and kale as your base. Then add just a small amount of fruit for flavor, perhaps an eighth or a 16th of a cup of blueberries or a small piece of green apple, or even some lemon juice. Now, let me share 3 specific recipes I've developed for cancer patients on the 21-day reset, and I'll include them in the description below as well. They provide maximum nutrition with minimal sugar impact. The first is what I call the green cleanse. It's cucumber, celery, parsley, and a squeeze of lemon. This is completely non-sweet, but incredibly detoxifying and beneficial. The second is the berry minimal. A cup of spinach, half a cup of cucumber, a quarter cup of water, and just an eighth cup of blueberries for a touch of sweetness. The third is Cruciferous Power. Kale, broccoli sprouts, celery, and a small green apple slice, and just a teeny bit of ginger. This one supports detoxification pathways that are crucial during cancer recovery. To make these, simply add all ingredients to your blender and process until smooth. If the texture is too thick, add water rather than fruit juice. You can also add a tablespoon of chia seeds or hemp seeds for healthy fats and protein without adding sugar. Beyond the recipes themselves, there are a few additional strategies that can help you get the most benefit while minimizing concerns. First, timing matters. Having your smoothie earlier in the day gives your body more time to process the natural sugars. Second, adding healthy fats like avocado or a teaspoon of MCT oil slows sugar absorption. Third, consider adding metabolism supporting spices like cinnamon or cloves, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Finally, remember that hydration is crucial during both cancer treatment and detoxification. So don't skip your smoothies entirely, modify them instead. Remember to implement these strategies slowly. Start off with your current smoothie and change one thing at a time until you find the right balance for your body's tastes. Now you have everything you need to safely enjoy smoothies during your 21-day reset, even while navigating cancer treatment. If you have questions about the 21-day reset or RSO, how to use it, or where to get it, schedule a complimentary call with me by clicking the link in the description. I'm here to support you on your healing journey. And remember, knowledge is power and health is wealth. My name is Almar with My Fit Life. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Peace.